pretty in good shape across the region, but we did see a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms go up, especially across the eastern rolling plains across portions of Dickens County. Those have weakened to not anything anymore, but as we take a look off to the southwest, we did see about an hour or two ago a shower or thunderstorm just to the north of Plains that was heavy and produced some locally heavy rainfall as well as into eastern New Mexico, but that activity is all died down across the South Plains. Now as we take a look off to the north, this is where our attention becomes the focus the rest of the evening into the overnight hours. We have a developing complex of thunderstorms currently pushing into the Amarillo area, prompted a severe thunderstorm warning to the areas off to the east, but we'll have to watch this as it continues to press off to the south and to the southwest, and it may clip our northwestern and western counties during the overnight hours. But a live look at Bob Mills Skycam right now, looking off to the southwest, looking at those clouds and the remnants of the showers and thunderstorm activity off to the western South Plains, around Plains and into eastern New Mexico. A live look at current temperatures here at Lubbock International, 83 degrees, dew point of 64, south-southeast winds 15 miles an hour, visibility looking pretty good right now at 10 miles or so. A regional check of temperatures across the South Plains, 83 here in Lubbock, so we've cooled down just a little bit, 77 currently in Borton, 68 in Plains. So you can see where that rainfall was earlier this afternoon. They have cooled down quite substantially. 71 in Tatum, 77 down there in Hobbs. The eastern South Plains, where we didn't see much rain, we saw more sunlight this afternoon, 85 currently in Spur, 84 in Jayton, 85 in Paducah currently right now, with those lower 80s off to the north and northwest. Now, those feels like temperatures with the high dew points out there, as I just showed you, currently 86 here in Lubbock, a 68 still feels like in Plains, 71 in Tatum. Eastern South Plains, we're looking still in those mid to upper 80s, so a little muggy out there and a little warm as well. As we take a look at your futurecast heading into the rest of this evening, if you have any of those pre-4th of July events expected for this evening, most of us are looking pretty dry, with the exception of northwestern counties around midnight to about 1 o'clock or so. That's the time frame as that complex will move out of the Texas Panhandle into those areas from Millshoe to Dimmitt to Friona. You guys could be looking at some strong thunderstorms during the overnight hours into eastern New Mexico around Clovis and Portales. That's all expected to push off to the southwest during the overnight hours and weaken as they do so, leaving most of us dry and not going to see much out of that. Can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm as far east as Lubbock or so, but areas west of I-27 could get on the action of that complex as it moves through during the overnight hours. But by tomorrow afternoon or so, as you're celebrating the 4th of July, we could look at some more showers and thunderstorms across the South Plains. I'm really not agreeing with this model too much. I don't think we'll see this much coverage of rain by tomorrow afternoon, but mainly areas east of I-27 has the best shot at some of those afternoon widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Southern areas not looking like much as well. As we play this into Saturday evening, though, as you're heading out to those festivities, seeing that shower and thunderstorm activity die down quite substantially across the South Plains, maybe in our eastern counties, could still be looking at a lingering shower thunderstorm during the evening hours. And as you're heading out to those firework displays, we're looking pretty good out there. Just some clouds expected, and most shower and thunderstorm activity pushing off to the east and out of the forecast area. So we're not looking, tomorrow's events does look pretty good as far as everything goes. Now, rainfall totals heading into this evening, 0.15 of an inch through Sunday morning. Highest amounts expected in our northwestern counties, as I showed you that complex moves across the northwestern areas by tonight into eastern New Mexico. Clovis could look at almost 1.75 inches as we round out the holiday weekend or so. Southern areas not looking like much heading into the rest of this weekend. Longer range forecast models picking up about 0.18 of an inch of rain by Monday afternoon, Monday evening. Higher amounts in the northern South Plains as a cold front moves through the area. Very strong cold front at that. It's going to bring some cooler temperatures and some more rainfall. Looking at almost 1/2 inch of rain heading into early Tuesday morning. 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch expected across the northern South Plains. Southern areas, southwestern areas not looking like much with this next system next week, as well as the cold front. moves across 3/4 of an inch looking into Wednesday morning, and then to round out next week we could be looking at an inch or so back here across the central South Plains. So again, this is a forecast model. We'll continue to keep that updated for you, but more rain chances as we head into early into middle part of next week. Now for tonight here in Lubbock, we'll see a temperature of 69 degrees, 20% chance of rain, partly cloudy conditions, mild out there as well. South winds 8 to 16 miles an hour. That 20% chance of rain mainly for western and northwestern areas during the overnight hours tomorrow. For your 4th of July, we'll look at a temperature of 91 degrees here in the metro, 20% chance of rain. Early morning hours, and again by the afternoon, especially areas east of I-27 could look at that 20% chance of rain, ending by those firework displays tomorrow night. Mostly sunny here in the metro, hot conditions as well, so pack the sunscreen and the bottles of water if you're heading out. 7-day forecast, 91 for your Saturday, 20% chance of rain during the afternoon and evening hours. Very slim chance. I think most of us will stay dry. Heading into Sunday, the ending of your holiday weekend, 92 degrees here across the South Plains. Now Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, that's when rain chances come back into the forecast. Highs Monday 91, dropping down to those low to mid 80s as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. Best chance of rain coming in Monday night into Tuesday. We're holding it dry heading into Thursday and Friday, but we might have to stick a rain chance in there both days, just depending on how models look by next week. Those temperatures rebound by Thursday and Friday back into the low 90s as they should be. After low temperatures during next week in the mid to upper 60s and low 70s. I can't believe my shirt was completely